Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Anyone who is watching at the time, my from my side, that will be my greetings. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my students, and welcome you all to Bhagyasut YouTube channel. Today we will going to learn about, or we will know about, how zero is added to the set of natural numbers to give a new set, that is a set of whole numbers. Why do we need zero? Actually we will know about this. ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା ଯେ କାହିଁକି ନ୍ୟାଚୁରାଲ ନମ୍ବରରେ ବା ଗଣନ ସଂଖ୍ୟାରେ ଶୂନକୁ ଆଡ୍ କରାଗଲା ଏବଂ ସେ ଶୂନ ଆଡ୍ ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ ଦେଲା କ'ଣ ଆମର ହୋଲ୍ ନମ୍ବର୍ସ ବା ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ମାନଙ୍କୁ ଦେଲା। ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଜିରୋ କାହିଁକି ଦରକାର କଲେ? ହ୍ୱାଇ ଡୁ ୱି ରିଏଲି ନିଡ୍ ଜିରୋ ଇନ୍ ଆୱାର counting system or numbering system or anything? Or why do we need mathematics in our, sorry, why do we need zero in mathematics in our day to day life? We will learn about this today, or we will know why. So in the previous videos I have uh, introduced to you how natural numbers have been invented or developed and how they are being useful to us in our day-to-day life. If you want to know about that, you can go to the Bhagyasut YouTube channel and learn about what is the basics of mathematics, and there is the video and you can learn from that. If there is any doubt, you can uh, comment below that video and I will try to reply all the videos, and all those videos are for you and for your development and for your mathematics upskillment. So today we will learn about how zero is added to the set of natural numbers to give a new set, that is whole numbers. So before proceeding to that, I will uh, I will tell you a small story. ମାନେ ମୁଁ ସେଠିକି ଯିବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟେ ପୁରୁଣା ବା ଛୋଟିଆ ଷ୍ଟୋରିଟେ କହିବି। we have discussed about Madana in our previous video, who has some goats, and he used to uh, take those goats to grazing to the nearby field or jungle, and what happens there and how the numbers have been invented by Aryabhat. We have known about that in the previous video. You can go to the Bhagyasuri YouTube channel and learn about that. Today we will learn why Madana need zero in his life or in his mathematics. So once upon a time, Madana has a problem with the numberings, and he has gone to Mr. Aryabhat ji and he has told him how to use numbers instead of stones or small stones for counting, and that has fulfilled all his journeys and everything, and all his wantings. Once after so much day of free and failing raising, once upon a day, Madana has a heavy meal in his home. His wife has made some chicken chicken biryani, and he has took more than average, and that's why he has felt asleep or fell asleep in the jungle. After waking up, he saw nothing. So nothing means nothing. Not a single goat is present in the jungle while they are grazing in the field. So what happened in that period? We will go little bit earlier, or we will go to the past and learn about what happened. After Madana sleeping, a tiger come and he saw, like, there are many goats. I can have my breakfast very easily. So he has gone to his friends, and they have all come. 12 tigers have come and they ate all the 60 goats what Madana have. And every tiger has eaten up to 5 goats was quota, and whole goat has been inside the, sorry, whole goat have been inside the belly of the tigers. So after waking up, Madana was like, there is no goats in his grazing field or in the jungle. So he cried a lot and he hesitated a lot, and he felt upset. Then he go to Mr. idea giver, Mr. Aryabhatji, and he told Aryabhatji, I have taken all my goats to the grazing in the morning. While after having a quick nap in the jungle, I wake up. I saw nothing. There is no goat. What will be the new name for that? No or nothing or Sunya Mahasunya? What will be the name? Or what will be the name for that empty? Then Aryabhatta tell him, oh bacha, I have told you only the story how the numbers have developed and how you can use that number. That is not the whole of mathematics. You need to know another number, that is zero means Mahasunya means Sunya, or the word Sunya comes from the Sanskrit word, so that is Sunya, what was told by Aryabhatta. Then that becomes in the English have come and they have stolen our knowledge and everything, so they have make a new name for that. Sunya is zero, so Sunya means empty. There, if there is nothing, then we can use the number what, zero or Sunya or empty or null or not. So you can uh, say 0 to what, 0, Sunya or empty or null or not, anything. You can say a single letter, a single digit, or a single letter or a single number has how many names? 0, Sunya, empty, null, not. You can use anything. Everything is correct. So, how 0 has been invented, you know. So, let me tell that story in Odia also, because Odia medium student, no, for Odia medium students, I will upload another video. So, you all know how 0 has been invented. So, let me put that in a very concise manner. So, who is the hero of our story? Madana or Mr. Aryabhatta? Who can tell? Is that all clear? Or is the story is understood to everyone? ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ story ବୁଝା ପଡ଼ିଲା କି? ତାହେଲେ କାହିଁ ମାନେ ଆମ storyରେ who is the hero? Aryabhatta or Madana? Comment in the comment section. And so you all have been commented in that time. So Aryabhatta or Madana. So there is no one hero in the mathematics or in our story. They all are heroes. Madana is a hero and Aryabhatta also is a hero. Aryabhatta has invented zero. For whom? Madana. So যদি ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ୟୁଜ୍ କରୁଛେ ଟିଭି, ୱାସିଂ ମେସିନ୍, ଫ୍ରିଜ୍, ଯଦି ଖାଲି ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ମାନେ ହିରୋ ରହିବେ, ଲୋକ ଯଦି ନ ରହିବେ, ସେ ଇନଭେନ୍ସନ୍ ଯାଇକି ମରୁଭୂମିରେ ବିକ୍ରି ହେଇପାରିବ କି? So after the invention of zero, that has been used by Madana or Madana like many other peoples or by the society. So math has only one goal, to make everything crystal clear and concise and very understandable. So that's why zero has been used by Madana and by us and by everybody. So we are also hero and Aryabhatta ji also hero. Everybody is a hero. So zero केमिति हिला आमे देखिले जे मदना दिने जाइथिला कुआडे जंगल को छेड़ी लेकी केला तार छेड़ी 60 गोट्स नेकी जाइथिला गोट्स नेकी त जाइछि से मझिरे स्लीप करि गला जते बेले आसिले कोन ओटे टाइगर आसिला और टाइगर हैज कम टाइगर आसिले 12 जन टाइगर्स 12 टाइगर्स आसिले टाइगर्स कौन कले से 12 टाइगर्स what has they done, they have eaten all the goats कौन कले रे सब गोट मान से खाई गले ता माने कौन हैला ए जो गोट्स माने थिले बाहर बुलुथिले आराम रे ग्रेजिंग करूथिले they are all now inside the bellies of the tigers. तेणु टाइगर्स माने तां कौन कले खाई देले जेतले समस्त खाईदेले ताले ए पाखे आ किछि बळिलानी. There is nothing left, so only grazing field is there. ताले किछि जेतले बळिलानी खाली ग्रेजिंग फील्ड ही रहिला. तापरे कोन हैला ग्रेजिंग फील्ड जेतले रहिला एटू मदन आसिला दौड़ी की मदना कांदुची, मदना इज क्राइंग, तार आखिरु लुह बोची क्राइंग। मदना कांदिला, कांदी कांदी आसी का पाखे पहुँचला आर्यभट्ट जी पाखे पहुँचला, का पाखे आर्यभट्ट पाखे पहुँचला। मदना इन द क्राइंग कंडीशन हाज रीच्ड मिस्टर आर्यभट्ट जी। आर्यभट्ट जी ताकू तो कौन देले ए शून्य पई गोटे नुआ उत्तर, दैट इज जीरो। शून्य पई देले कोन गोटे नुआ उत्तर जीरो। So that is the story, and by that story I have told you how zero has been invented and how this has been come into our daily practices, like another set of numbers, that is 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity asila kon amaro whole numbers, that is whole numbers. Is that clear to everyone? समस्त बुझा पड़ला कि हाउ जीरो हैज बीन इन्वेंटेड, माने जीरो केमिति आविष्कार हैला और जीरो केमिति यूज रे आसला समस्त बुझा पड़ला कि मदना जाइथिला कोठी की जंगल को जेते छेली नै कि जाइछि से बाटे सोई पड़ला, सोई पड़िछि जेतेबेले कोन हला रे 12टा बाघ गोटे बाघ आसिला, तापर से कहला अरे एते गुडी छेली होचंदी मु तो एका खाइ परिबिनी। से गला ता सांग पिला मानन को डाकिला, से माने जेतेबेले आसी कि पहुंचले माने 12टा बाघ आसी पहुंचले, जणे के 5टा लाखे गोट जणे के खाइले, 12टा टाइगर्स ताले 60 गोट से माने खाइ देले। जेतेबेले 60 गोट्स खाइदेले तांको भितरे देख से टाइगर भितरे रही गले गोट्स, ता माने जेतु ग्रेजिंग फील्ड रे केही रहिलेनी एम्प्टी बा शून्य बा महाशून्य पड़ी गला। मदना सेतेबेले बंदूक गला तार छेली तो किछि रहिलेनी, किंतु तार को ना दब से भी से पर्यंत जानि नथिला। तेणु जाकी पहुंचिला का पाखरे आर्यभट्टଙ୍କ पाखरे पहुंचिला। आर्यभट्ट तापर कहले अरे मदना बंधुक करना ता बे गोटे नुआ ना रखिछि, गोटे नुआ संख्या रखिछि बा गोटे नुआ डिजिट रखिछि, से होछि के 0 बा नल बा नट बा एम्प्टी बा शून्य बा महाशून्य समस्त को मु सेटा भी जणेबा को चाहूतिली, किंतु समस्त कहथिले हम जीरो जानि की करिवु कोन, तू वर्तमान जानलु तो जीरो रो व्यवहार कोन। तेणु समस्त को मोर रिक्वेस्ट रहबा, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट यू ऑल टू have 10 examples of null by not by 0 or 0, 10 examples of 0, and you have to comment in the comment section the examples by writing the comments. So thanks to all, and we will meet again, and we have known about how 0 has been invented. Thanks to everyone. If there is any doubt, you can ask me by the number by calling 9337883852, and go to Bhagyashuti YouTube channel and you will find any videos related to mathematics, English and science. So that's it for all. That's it for today, and we will meet again. So thank you.